If a digital controller on your hot case needs replaced, keep watching this video to learn how to easily change it out. Start by powering off the main controller and lights. We also recommend either turning the breaker off to the case or unplugging it if it's equipped with a cord and plug that is accessible. Remove the 4 screws from the faceplate of the controller being replaced. Carefully pull the controller forward to remove it from the control box to expose the wires. Each controller has multiple wires connected to the back of it. Examine the back of the controller to identify where each wire is plugged into on the existing controller. Use this as your guide. You detach one wire, install it immediately in the exact same location on the new controller. The same goes for all the remaining wires. If the controller is a temperature controller, there will be 2 sensor wires that will also need to be connected to the new controller. Place these at the top of the controller on the spade terminals. Inspect the controller and the wires to ensure there are no nicks made to the wires during assembly. Carefully place the wires back into the control box. Make sure that you don't pinch any wires between the metal and the digital controller. Align the holes on the faceplate with the holes in the case panel and install the 4 screws. Return power to the case, and then push the on button on the main controller to test and see if the new digital controller lights up. If so, you have successfully changed out the new digital controller. If you should have any questions about changing the digital case controllers in your Hillphoenix hot case, contact us at www.hillphoenix.com.